making one of the 7 important Swedish cookies that is a must to make, which is called, I hope I say it right in Swedish, finska fingrar, or finska pinnar, which translates to Finnish sticks. Really super simple ingredients such as sugar and almond extract that I'm sure you happen to have in your cupboards, so let's get going. Okay, so first you want to put in 2.5 cups of flour in a big bowl, a 1/2 cup of sugar, mix it together, add in 2 sticks of softened butter into the flour mixture. Next you want to combine the butter and the flour mixture until it's nice and crumbly. We're going to sprinkle over a teaspoon of almond extract over the flour mixture. So you might have noticed that even though you added the almond extract, that the dough was still a little bit too crumbly, was a little bit hard to roll it out into sticks. So what I found that works best for me is to drizzle on some water, and this will help moisten the dough. And that seems to work for me. Another option is, instead of using almond extract, you could squeeze in some lemon juice, and that could be the other way of not only getting flavor but some moisture into the dough. So I'm combining the almond extract into the flour mixture, and we're going to put this onto the counter. I've separated the dough into 8 pieces, and now I'm going to roll these individually out. As you can see, these are about the same size. What you want to do next is press these down so that way the sugar and the almond slices will hold onto the Finnish sticks. Next, you want to beat in an egg, and we're going to cover the cookies with the egg wash. And then you want to sprinkle on some sugar, and traditionally you have almond slices. If you don't like the almond slices, you can also just leave it off some of the cookies for whoever doesn't really enjoy almonds. I have the oven set at 350, and I'm going to bake these for 12 to 15 minutes. So I've been trying to figure out, why are these called Finnish sticks even though they're a Swedish cookie? And I did do some research online, and the only thing I can come up with is that Sweden and Finland borders each other, and then possibly the recipe was kind of crossed over one way or the other, and it's been one of those recipes that's been around since the late 1800s. If you happen to know the reason why these are called Finnish sticks, even though these are a Swedish cookie, I would love to hear about it, and please let me know down below in the comment section. It'd be really interesting to hear. Great, so I just took these out of the oven, and let's put these onto a wire rack. All right, so I'm dying to see how these taste. So here is finska fingrar, which we just finished baking, and it goes great with a cup of coffee. It is the perfect cookie to dunk into your coffee. I mean, it's just awesome. So let's take a bite. Nice and buttery for sure. And I love the little sprinkles, the sugar sprinkles, and the nuts, the chopped nuts that are on it too. It really gives it a nice complement to the cookie. So we have one more cookie to make to complete our 7 important Swedish cookies. And I'll probably make it in the next few weeks. And as well, if you happen to have any recipe requests, let us know down below in the comments section. And I will definitely be doing some more Swedish recipes. And have a great week. Skål, and see you later, guys. Bye.